Welcome to Siva Sakti's YouTube channel.
Hey there, parents and teachers. Looking for fun ways to get your kids interested in history? We've got you covered. See, history gets a bad rap, right? Everyone thinks it's all about memorizing dates and names like some monstrous phone book from the 1700s. But we're here to tell you that history is way more lit than your textbook lets on. It's full of drama, action and intrigue, kind of like an Hector Kapoor serial, but real, you know? So if you're ready to ditch the boring lectures and make history come alive for your little ones, buckle up, because we're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Get ready for 5 fun and engaging ways to turn your kids into mini historians, or as we like to call them, history hustlers. First up, we've got historical reenactments. Now, I'm not talking about forcing your kid to wear itchy wigs and recite Shakespeare, okay? Chill. This is about bringing history to life in a fun and engaging way. Think of it like this. Remember that time you dressed up as your favorite superhero for Comic-Con? It's kinda like that, but instead of fighting Thanos, you're recreating a scene from the Mughal Empire. Get your kids some cool costumes, maybe a fake mustache or two, and let their imaginations run wild. Trust me, there's nothing more hilarious than watching your little one try to negotiate a peace treaty while wearing a dhoti. Next, we're diving into the magical world of Indian mythology and folklore. Look, forget Marvel for a second, okay? Our gods and goddesses had powers that would make Thor and Iron Man look like amateurs. We're talking flying chariots, shape-shifting snakes, and demons with 1,000 heads. These stories are full of adventure, morality lessons, and enough plot twists to make your head spin faster than a Bollywood dance number. So, gather your little ones around and introduce them to the epic tales of the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, and all those other awesome stories your grandparents used to tell you. Chapter 3. Interactive history games. Level up your history knowledge. Okay, let's be real. Kids love gadgets. They're practically glued to their phones and tablets these days. But hey, why fight it when you can use it to your advantage? There are tons of awesome history apps and games out there that make learning about the past as addictive as Candy Crush, but without the guilt trip from your dentist. These games let kids build ancient civilizations, conquer new lands, and even rewrite history itself. Just kidding, don't let them get any ideas. It's like time travel without the whole paradox thing, which, let's be honest, is a logistical nightmare. Chapter 4. Historical movies and TV shows. Netflix and learn, baby. Now, who doesn't love a good movie night? But instead of watching the same old cartoons, why not switch things up with some epic historical movies and TV shows? We're talking about films that transport you to different eras, introduce you to fascinating characters, and teach you about major historical events, all while keeping you entertained. Think Jodha Akbar, Lagan, or even The Crown. Just make sure to have some popcorn ready because things might get intense. Chapter 5. Museum visits. History IRL. Alright, last but not least, it's time to ditch the screens and experience history in real life. That's right, we're talking about museum visits. Now, before you roll your eyes and start picturing dusty artifacts and bored tour guides, hear me out. Museums these days are way cooler than you think. They've got interactive exhibits, hands-on activities, and enough mind-blowing artifacts to make Indiana Jones jealous. Plus, it's a great excuse to get out of the house and do something educational without your kids even realizing they're learning. Sneaky, right? Outro, go forth and conquer history. So there you have it. 5 fun ways to introduce your kids to history. Try them out and watch your little ones become history buffs in no time. Remember, history doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity and a lot of enthusiasm, you can make the past come alive for your kids and inspire a lifelong love of learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun tips and tricks.
Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and select all for regular updates to reach you.